Oh, the lighting here is just to die for. Wow, that looks like the Star of David from above.
Mazel tov.
Maybe. All right, so we're all done. Hey guys, Mike Fitzick here, aka Pizza Jew. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a star pizza. This one's a little more advanced, but if you give it a few tries, I think you got it. So we're going to do the standard, flour it up, but instead of pressing the air from the center out, we're going to want to get the air out of the whole thing. We're pressing all the air out of the edges. The reason we're doing that is because we're going to be stuffing things into there, and we don't want it to poof up that much. I'm gonna lay down a liberal amount of flour, and we're gonna get to work here. One cut, make an X, kind of like a bullseye, and then we're gonna do it again. Roughly, we're gonna wanna cut about 2 inches. Doesn't have to be exact, because we're gonna be folding them. All right, now we're gonna take just a little bit of mozzarella, and I have some ricotta that we've put a little bit of salt and pepper in there for flavor. Not too much. You see I'm going kind of light because when these start to cook, the cheese is gonna wanna fly out and go everywhere. So, you know, less is more when it comes to this pizza. We're gonna wanna fold this edge together, just like so. All right? The little cheese gets on the edge, it's perfectly fine. So you see I'm taking this edge and folding it. Make sure it's stuck together too. Here's the hard part, getting this thing in the oven. If this is too hard for you, you can do it on a cooking sheet and put it in there. Traditionally though, we're gonna wanna slide it onto our pan. All right, here we go. So we wanna get under it, kind of form it so it's a little more circular, and then we get it in the oven. So when we're cooking this, it's gonna be a lower heat. I got it at around 750 degrees now, and the flame is on low. The reason we're doing that is because we want the inside to cook before the outside. If you have it on full blast at 900 degrees, the outside's gonna burn before the inside cooks. So we're doing it a little slower at a little lower heat. So instead of ricotta and fior di latte, you can also use mozzarella and pepperoni. You can stuff it with cherry tomatoes, mozzarella and basil. All right guys, so it's been about 3 minutes. You can see all these little guys are poofed up and the cheese is starting to ooze out, so we're good to go. You can see it's all nice and tan and cooked. Cut it up like a normal pizza, and then put a little bit of arugula on it, some Parmesan, and a little bit of olive oil. There you go, star pizza. Oh man, this thing smells bang. All right guys, so that's how you make the star pizza. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time. All right, so, hold on, I got a little flame going here. There we go. Yeah, I was like, hold on one sec. There's just flames shooting out. I put a lot of flour on the bottom, so when I put it in there, some of that flour decides we're gonna catch on fire.